If Canva is bugging out on you today, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to designing without wasting time. These are simple troubleshooting methods that work for a lot of common Canva issues, whether the page is freezing, not loading properly, or just acting strange. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, try the simplest fix, refresh the page. On Windows or Chromebook, press Ctrl+R. On Mac, you can use Command+R. A quick refresh can clear a temporary loading glitch and get Canva working again in seconds. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Canva needs a stable connection to load projects, templates, images, and design assets properly. Open a new tab, search for a speed test, and run one. If your connection is slow or unstable, that may be the reason Canva is bugging out. If possible, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network or reconnect your internet and then try Canva again. Now, let's move to another very common fix, clearing your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause websites like Canva to behave strangely. In your browser, click the three-dot menu, go to Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data and look for cached images and files. Select that option, then clear it. After that, close and reopen your browser and test Canva again. If the problem is still happening, try disabling browser extensions, especially ad blockers or any extension that might interfere with web apps. Click the three-dot menu, open extensions, then go to Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any extensions you don't need, especially ad blockers. Some extensions can block Canva's scripts or stop parts of the page from loading correctly. Once they're disabled, reload Canva and see if the issue is fixed. Another thing to keep in mind is that sometimes the bug is only temporary. If Canva is having a short server-side issue or a momentary loading problem, simply waiting 5 to 10 minutes can help. After waiting, try opening Canva again and see if it starts working normally. This is especially useful if the issue appeared suddenly and none of the other fixes worked right away. So to quickly recap, refresh the page first, check your internet speed, clear your browser cache, disable problematic extensions, and if needed, wait a few minutes and try again. These steps solve a lot of Canva issues without any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the Canva bug today, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.